Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. On this channel, I try to switch it up and bring a little bit of something for everyone. So today's job lead is going to be more for my technology savvy people. That is definitely not me. But real quickly, before we get into it, just a little disclaimer. I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so please make sure you're doing your own research before giving your personal information to any of these companies. And of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the huge, I guess you would call it a social media platform, Discord. Discord is used where a lot of people go and chat, have different conversations. It's like an online community. They are hiring a customer experience associate for their bug operations. Now, they can be based out of San Francisco, California office or remote throughout the United States. But they are basically looking for somebody to work the morning shift Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. You'll collaborate with the community to escalate any bug reports to the engineering team to ensure that they get fixed very quickly for high severity issues. You'll maintain bug reporting systems to test reports for accuracy, verifying the bug fixes, identifying priority issues, and tracking any updates. You're going to help moderate their official community server and deliver timely, accurately, and thoughtful responses to the community's questions and issues. You'll monitor the community sentiment and provide actionable feedback to cross-functional partners. And of course, you'll educate and provide useful troubleshooting steps for technical issues that the community faces on desktop, browser, iOS, and Android versions of the app. Now, of course, they are looking for somebody who has great attention to detail, has a passion for supporting the communities with patience and empathy, somebody who has great problem-solving skills, great communication skills, and a high level of confidentiality with the stuff that you're handling. Now, they are looking for somebody who has a little bit of technical knowledge already about Discord, specifically its features on both desktop and mobile. They want somebody who has experience with different bug tracking programs like Asana, Jira, or Fabricator, someone who has 1 year experience with QA processes and procedures, and either a bachelor degree or equivalent work experience if you don't have a bachelor degree. Now, pay for this position is very, very well. Pay is anywhere from $32.69 an hour all the way up to $35.10 an hour. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, paid time off, 401k. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I do read those and keep that in mind. If you have any specific tech knowledge, let me know down below. I see a lot of tech jobs out there, but I don't know what specifically people are looking for in the tech field. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.